Hello everyone, welcome to my legal friend. So this is the UPSC notification regarding the application for assistant public prosecutor and public prosecutor. This is advertisement number 4 of 221. Now here we are on this the fourth serial number 4, vacancy number 210204042227. So 43 vacancies for the post of public prosecutor in the CBI, Department of Personnel and Training, Ministry of Personal Public Grievances and Pension. Now coming to the essential qualification. So for the post of public prosecutor, you need to have an experience of 7 years practice in the bar in conducting criminal cases. Okay, so criminal lawyer, 7 years of practice. The qualification are relaxable to the discretion of the commission for reason to be recorded in writing in case of candidates otherwise well qualified. So if the candidates are otherwise well qualified, then the qualification are relaxable. Note 2 says that the qualification regarding experience is relaxable at the discretion of the UPSC in the case of candidate belonging to scheduled caste or scheduled tribes. If at any stage of selection the UPSC is of opinion that sufficient number of candidates from these communities possessing the requisite experience so the qualifications are relaxable as per the discretion of the UPSC. Okay. Coming to the duties, so these are the regular duties. Public prosecutor will be responsible for conducting the prosecution of cases in the court, to attend matters arising of or pertaining to court cases reference, and to give local advice in respect of cases investigated by the branch. Public prosecutor will also attend the other works as prescribed by the department from time to time. The headquarters of the CBI is at Delhi. Now, though the headquarters is in Delhi, but the candidate are liable to serve anywhere in India depending on the availability and requirement. They will be serving anywhere in India. Okay, so this was for the public prosecutor, for which you need 7 years of experience. This is the qualification required. Now moving to the assistant public prosecutor, this is for the freshers. So there are a total 26 vacancies for the assistant public prosecutor in the same CBI department. Now 4 vacancies is reserved for the SC candidates, 2 for the ST candidate, 5 for the OBC candidate, and 2 for the EWS candidate. For unreserved, there are, out of this 26, 13 vacancies. Then PWBD, 3 vacancies are reserved for that. Okay. Now the essential qualification for this assistant public prosecutor vacancy is degree in law of a recognized university. That's it. You need to have a degree in law from a recognized university, and no experience is required, no division in the BLLB or LLB, whatever you have done is required. The only requirement that they are asking for is a degree in law from a recognized university. Okay, again the qualifications are relaxable, and regarding the experience they are relaxable. According to the qualifications are relaxable, the experience is relaxable, same as it was in public prosecutor. Okay, the duties are same as that of a public prosecutor. Similarly, as it was in a public prosecutor case, the assistant public prosecutor will be responsible for conducting the prosecution of cases in the courts, to attend matters arising of or pertaining to court cases reference, and to give legal advice in respect of cases investigated by the branch. Assistant public prosecutor will also attend to other works as prescribed by the department from time to time. The headquarter is in Delhi, where you will be serving, but you might be serving in anywhere in India as per the requirement. Okay, so that's it about the video, and thank you for watching, and have a great day.